Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the KineMaster video editing application on your PC. So let's get started right away. Now in order to install this application on your PC, you will need to use an Android emulator. So in order to do this, open up your web browser first and then type in bluestacks.com in the address bar and press enter. This will then take you into the BlueStacks website. Just click on the download button to download the BlueStacks installer and just click through the next buttons to install it on your system. Once it is installed, you can open it up to gain access to your Android home screen. Now just open up the Google Play Store and log in using your Google account, and then you can tap on the search box to search for the KineMaster application. Once you find the KineMaster video editor app, tap on the install button to begin the download and installation of this application on your device. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and when you see the open button, you can tap on it to open up the app. This will also create a shortcut on your desktop, which you can double click in order to directly launch open the video editing application of KineMaster. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the KineMaster video editing application on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.